Yan. Napakagandang pwesto natin dito, Dok. Pang maalala mo kaya, no? Pang maalala mo kaya ito. Hindi ito basta-basta. Makakuha ka ng ganitong sunset in a perfect place, in a perfect moment, at the right time, and everything is be designed just for this moment that we have our, a valuable seat here, the chair, the table, everything is perfect. That we are going to have a very wonderful, amazing moment, unforgettable day that we've spent for this, journey. Truly, there's no word how to explain this moment that we have right now.
Yeah.
That's why we should have to enjoy every moment of our life. Wherever we go, whatever we do in our life, it's just a beautiful thing that mostly of the people, or some of the people, might admire you for what situation that you have right now.
Suka mo, Dok.
The suka. I don't have suka, Dok. We don't have suka.
Ngayon?
Yeah, we don't have. That's why we should have to be always, be thankful for all the time. Be grateful for all what we have, because we do not know what the world could offer to us.
Naka-record dyan? Naka-record?
Of course.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. We are spoken dollar here, and we
Alright,
spend sunset dinner.
Alright.
This is the sunset dinner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the spoon?
The spoon. The spoon is together with our, the plato.
Oh, my goodness.
Where is the glass? The plastic of the plato.
Oh, well, I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah.
Where did I put your spoon? Recovery.
I'm trying to find and search for the.
Where's the one?
Yeah. Where is the? Here, maybe here. It was only here, together with the gas. Where's our? Where did you get the?
Well,
The plato.
I'm just getting.
Where did you get the plato?
Here,
Huh?
over there.
Over there also. Probably the thing is there. The spoon.
But it's nothing here.
I am sure it was there, but nothing here.
No. Nothing is here. May Milo ka pala nigli, oh.
Oo.
Oh.
Ganda, Dok, oh.
Berapa po ada dyan, Dok? Ini teman-teman sedikit.
Lisod. Oh, so perfect moment.
That's it.
Ako rin, Dok. Picture mo ko dyan, Dok. The magnificent moment.
Oh, udah ini baga. Oh,
Ha?
saan dyan?
Ito. Oh. Yan, oh. So, perfect dinner on the afternoon.
Nakulo na.
Nakulo na?
Nagsawa na.
Ay, tingnan to na. Iyon. Galing. Ay, sir. Pwede na pang ano?
Wala di ba?
Amen. Ah, naka-short charger ko. Nagkaroon kayo ni bayad kay Tudok?
Binta?
Ha? 50?
Kali ka naman yung tao.
Ha?
Pwede na pa yun.
Sige.
Yan.
May iba ata yan.
One number away from calling you. I said I was through, but I'm done. Inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I confess, I lied when I said I'm leaving and not coming back. Might be the way. I'm one number away from calling you. I said I was through, but I'm done. Inside, got my head in a mess. Girl, I confess, I lied when I said I'm leaving and not.
Flashing for the cameras, baby, we should be in vogue. I could be your supermodel, let me show
Dako lang
you.
gawin.
Flashing for the cam.
Paro lagi ni. Ito si Pinli pa.
Flashing for the cameras, baby,
Si Pinli pa kay Ritra.
Time.
Mailing sa video mo.
let me show you bubbles. Let me show you bubbles. Let me show you.
Ngiri sa video mo.
Wala.
Ha?
Siya makapik lang.
Oh, may tanong. Oh, sure.
May malo ka ba yan?
Oo, dua yan. Makapigit mamay kita.
Tapos.
Mayroon naman ba natin? Para din yung sukar kaya yan.
Dahil nga. Gasa ka naman sukugan.
Oo yung. Soon. Kain mga kapa. Ito ang dinner ng mga mayaman dito sa Sunset.
Wala mo na. Perfect. Perfect binyo.